Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Barbecue Grill and Smoker.
This outdoor cooking appliance promises to revolutionize your grilling experience with its smart features and versatile cooking capabilities.
Let's start with the design. The Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL is a substantial upgrade from its predecessor. Featuring a robust build with dimensions of 16.1 by 22.4 by 20.1 inches. It weighs about 40.2 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable. The exterior is crafted to be water-resistant, ensuring durability even in adverse weather conditions. Now, onto what matters most: its cooking prowess.
This grill isn't just about grilling, it's a multifunctional powerhouse.
It can smoke, grill, roast, bake, dehydrate, air crisp, and broil.
Whether you're cooking meats, vegetables, or even baking desserts, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL handles it all with finesse.
What sets this grill apart is its integration of smart technology. It comes equipped with a smart thermostat that connects to the Ninja app.
This allows for precise control over cooking temperatures and times, ensuring consistently perfect results every time you fire it up.
Speaking of results, the flavor is where this grill truly shines.
Powered by wood pellets, it imparts a rich, smoky taste to your food that's hard to beat. During our tests, everything from juicy ribs to crispy vegetables came out flavorful and perfectly cooked.
Using the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL is straightforward.
The redesigned control panel is intuitive, featuring easy-to-navigate buttons for different cooking modes and a clear LCD display for monitoring temperatures. Despite its size, maneuvering the grill is manageable, thanks to its well-designed handles and compact footprint. However, it's worth noting that while the accessories are non-stick and easy to clean, none of them are dishwasher safe. This means a bit of manual cleaning is required after each use, especially for the larger cooking surfaces and trays.
So, should you buy the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Barbecue Grill and Smoker?
If you're serious about outdoor cooking and want a versatile, high-performance grill that can handle everything from smoking to air frying, then absolutely. It's ideal for both novice grillers and seasoned pitmasters looking to elevate their backyard barbecue game. That wraps up our review of the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!